Hello, everyone. This is Elvis, Customer Success Manager here at Lead Quizzes. And today I'm very glad to be presenting you with this topic on how you can use ChatGPT to generate engaging content for your quiz funnel. I'm sure we've all heard about ChatGPT, which is basically an open artificial intelligence that generates text based on the input text you give it, right? So today, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide or give you step-by-step instructions and examples on how you can use ChatGPT to create engaging quiz content, email copies, social media copies, ad copies, and so on. You will learn how you can generate quiz titles that resonates with your audience. You will learn how you can generate quiz questions and answers to go with that quiz title, as well as how you can generate results for the quiz title that we're going to be looking at. And bear in mind, using ChatGPT, you can do all this in minutes, so you don't have to spend time and money looking for content creators to help you create your quizzes or your emails or your social media copy or your ad copies. You can easily go to ChatGPT, and that way you can have your quiz funnel set up in minutes, rather than days. All right. So quickly, I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to delve into this. All right, so if you haven't heard about ChatGPT before, just simply go to the URL chat.openai.com. You can sign up. It's totally free of charge. You can sign up also using your Google account, email. So once you sign up, you'll be taken to a dashboard that looks like what I'm showing you on the screen right now. Now in here, so if you remember, I said it generates engaging responses based on the command or the prompts that you give it. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you those prompts that you can use to generate contents for your quiz funnel. All right, now let's start with quiz titles. Okay, so if you want to generate an engaging quiz title for your business, so in here we're going to say, can you suggest some quiz titles related to? Then you put in the topic. Okay, so in this case, my topic is love and relationship coaching. All right. Now, bear in mind, the more information or the more detailed your prompt or your request is to ChatGPT, the more personalized the response is going to generate will be. Okay. All right. So now once I hit enter, sure, here are some quiz titles related to love and relationship coaching. All right. So are you ready for a healthy relationship? What's your love language? Is your relationship built to last? How strong is your emotional connection? Are you compatible with your partner? So you can see these are all engaging quiz hooks that you can use for this niche, if you were in a love and relationship coaching business. All right, so now straight out of the book, we're going to use one of these quiz titles and we're going to generate questions and answers for that title. All right, so the next step is we're going to tell ChatGPT. So it always starts with a command. Can you help me generate question and answers for my, so let's use how strong is your emotional connection? That's what we're going to be using. Okay, but at the same time, we're going to tell it how many question and answers we want it to generate, what kind of question and answer, what kind of answer type, and what kind of quiz question and answer. Okay, so in here, I want 6 questions, true and false answer type. Bear in mind, you can also have multiple choice. You can have yes and no answer type, and personality quiz style. You can have a BuzzFeed quiz style. All right, then we're going to hit enter. All right, and you see it starts to generate the questions for you for this particular quiz title. So question number 1, I feel emotionally supported by my partner in good times and bad, true or false. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here are the answers to each of the questions. All right. So now that we've generated the questions, we've generated the answers, we've also seen the answer mapping. The next we want to do is generate results for this particular quiz questions. All right. So don't forget, like I said, you start with a prompt or a command to ChatGPT. So right now, can you help me generate quiz results for? Now you can just put the above. For the above quiz question and answers, right? I can do that straight up. And now you can see it's generating results for the above quiz questions and answers. But at the same time, we can refine those results to tell, for example, generate 3 results, generate 2 results. Now we generated 4 results, okay? But if you want to do this from scratch, don't forget, like I said, you start with a prompt. So we're going to start with a prompt. Can you help me generate the quiz results for my topic? This is the topic, how strong is your emotional connection? Okay, and we're going to refine this search. So we want 3 outcomes. The outcome and the mapping should be based on the outcome to determine the result. So outcome-based mapping to determine the result, not a score-based mapping. CTA should be to schedule a consultation. All right. Now I'm going to hit enter. And now you see it already gave strong emotional connection, room for improvement. But now it's added more information and a call to action. So for the mapping, they score 5 out of 6, they get this result. Okay, if they score 3 out of 4, they get this result. If they score 0, if they score 3 to 4 rather, if they score 5 to 6, if they score 0 to 2, they get this result. So you already know how to do the mapping. It already has a call to action, schedule a consultation with our love and relationship coach, and so on. Okay, but at the same time, we can do this. So rather than outcome-based mapping, we can say we want to score okay, so let's say we want to score based mapping to determine the results. And we're still getting the same inputs because the question is a true or false. If you remember, it's a true or false question type. But in the case, for example, we had multiple choice where we had to score each of those multiple choice answers and give a weighted score. That way, the results are going to show, okay, if you scored between 50 to 60, this is the score, and so on. Excuse me. Right? So that's basically how you differentiate outcome or score-based mapping depending on what you want to achieve. Okay. So now I've shown you how you can generate amazing quiz hooks, how you can generate questions and answers for that quiz title or the quiz hook, and how you can generate results for the quiz title, and how you can as well figure out the mapping. All right. And all this took less than 5 minutes. Okay. So what I was saying is you can do this on your own. Just go to ChatGPT and get started. And the more you refine your search, the more personalized the results you are going to get. Okay, next, I'm going to show you how you can generate emails. So obviously, once you have your quiz set up, your audience completes the quiz, you want to send them follow-up emails. So you can also use this platform to generate emails. All right. So like I said, you start with a prompt. So can you help me write an email related to? So the purpose of the email is, let's say, announcement for relationship coaching workshop. Okay. Now we also want to refine the search, or refine the prompts rather. So we want target audience to be married couples and tone of voice of the email to be educational. And you hit enter. There you have it. We are excited to announce our upcoming relationship coaching workshop designed to help you build and maintain a strong, healthy, and fulfilling relationship with your partner. As married couple, we understand the relationship can be both rewarding and challenging, and it also gives you, during the workshop, we're going to cover, it gives you a range of topics we're going to cover during the workshop. So you have the intro, the body, and the conclusion perfectly outlined in here, all right? And the more you refine this search, the more personalized the emails you are going to get. Okay. Now, next, I'm going to show you how you can generate social media post descriptions. So even when you want to post on social media and you're thinking, what am I going to write as a description? You can use this platform to generate eye-catching descriptions. Okay, so like I said, we start with a prompt or a command to ChatGPT. So can you help me write a description for my social media posts about? So the first is we want to end the topic. What's the topic? So our topic is, how strong is your emotional connection? So quiz. All right, and we're going to refine the search a bit more. Okay, so the purpose is to get people to take the quiz. The target audience is married couples. Tone of voice should be educational. All right, I will hit enter. And here's the description. Okay, so there you have it. And you can also refine this description, for example. So you can say, can you help me write a short? And let's say Facebook. And we hit enter. You can see it's giving you a shorter description. So married couples take hours. How married couple take our how strong your emotional connection quiz and discover the strength of your emotional relationship bond with your partner. Based on the latest coaching research, the quiz will help you identify areas where you're thriving and where you could improve. Start building a stronger, more fulfilling relationship today. All right, so that's our social media Facebook description. Okay, next I'm going to show you how you can create ad copies. Okay, so the first is you start with a prompt. So the platform, let's say Facebook. The topic, how strong is your emotional connection? All right, we're going to refine the search a bit more. So let's complete the quiz. Hit enter. Excuse me. So you can see it's giving you the headline for the ad post. It's giving you the body copy. It's giving you the call to action for your Facebook post, for your Facebook ad. Right. So all you have to do is just go in here, copy this, go to your Facebook, create an ad for your quiz, use this copy as a description, headline, and a call to action for your ad. Okay, so I've shown you basically how you can generate amazing quiz titles, how you can generate question and answers for the quiz title, how you can generate results, and how you can know the mapping or the scoring. I also showed you how you can generate amazing emails that you can use for follow-ups for those that complete your quiz, and also how you can generate social media descriptions and ad copies, Facebook, Google, depending on where you plan on advertising and marketing your quiz. Okay, so these are different ways you can quickly use ChatGPT in different areas of your business to have your entire quiz funnel set up properly, right? I'm going to be leaving the prompts I used in this video in the help guide that's going to be followed with, so you can easily just copy the prompts to ChatGPT, refine it, and you get your results. Okay, have a nice day. Cheers.